Alright, so I think we're live now. I don't know why my YouTube, yeah. So, um, yeah, we're live, right? So, alright, I think we're live. So now let me open the chat. So let me open the chat. Sorry. Wow, did I close it? So first of all, we're using TradingView, and I want to really get the. Sorry, I did sign it. Um, Guys, if you can hear me, please, I would love if you could indicate if you could hear me. Timmy is done. Uh, so let's go into the analysis, right? So I'm pretty sure most can hear me. If you can't, just tell me. Wait, we don't have live viewers. How did I get this stuff? All right. So I think everyone can hear me. So let's move on to the analysis of today. So this is GBP USD. That's the first pair we'll be looking at today, right, for our analysis. And the analysis, this is a daily time frame, right? So now, the first thing we would look for is the trend of the market, right? So now that's the first thing we look for. We are looking for the trend or the trend of the market, right? So now that's the first thing we should be looking for. And the current trend of the market, it's a very obvious, right? This market has been on a clear bullish move for a very long time, right? So we have it what we have the market creating what we call higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, break of structure, higher highs, higher lows for a while, right? So now, and we're not looking for what is lost, we rather want to trade according to the trend of the market. And since we're in a bullish trend, it gives us an idea that this market should rather go to the upside, right? So that's the first confluence we have on the daily time frame. We have the market is currently on an uptrend, right? So now, having market on an uptrend, what next are we supposed to do? The next of our opinion, the next opinion we should have right now is current our zone, right? Most people call it zone, most people call it point of interest, right? So now this point of interest should be where we should expect price to come back into. Let me do that more. Where we should expect price to come back to, right? So that is our zone or point of interest. So our POI, that's point of our interest, right? So now we won't want to be taking our point of interest from the daily time frame. So we'll move over to a lower time frame, a more lower time frame than the 1 hour. Let's move over to the 4 hour, looking for point of interest. You understand what I'm saying, right? So now from Confluence, I am looking at what we call a double top. A double top, that is a chart pattern. This is a chart pattern. We have the first leg over here. This is the first leg, came up again, created another. So what happened? I'm expecting you see the double top or a W pattern. So now we can obviously spot a W pattern from the 4 hour time frame, meaning that we should expect that price should follow our confluence and break this top zone, right? So we should expect that price should probably pop off over here, pop off below, able to break. If price is able to break this zone, right, we should be expecting that we should be moving to the upside, right? Sorry, sorry, sorry. Oh. So yeah, so what I was saying is that we should be expecting that price is able to push onto the upside on GBP, because our confluence were on a bullish trend number one, and on the 4 hour time frame we are seeing what we call a double top, a double bottom, right? A double bottom. So now if price is able to break among this zone, if price is able to push above this zone, we'll be able to have a more sure confluence for our buying bias. Sorry, our buying bias, right? So yeah, so we're pretty much, so yeah, 1 hour time frame, right? So now, since we understand that we have a zone currently, we're predicting that price should break for the buy to be confirmed. Let's move over to a 1 hour time frame. Let's just see if we have other confluences down in the 1 hour time frame. But as I said earlier, the trend of the market currently is bullish, and the confluence we have on our 4 hour is the double top, double bottom that is currently forming on the 1 hour. If you can see, the double bottom is currently forming on the 1 hour. Sorry, I want this stuff to load up. Okay, let me reload my chart again. Okay, okay, I think I just entered my own. I'm trying to access my own this thing. So sorry about that. So let me just delete it again and currently explain what I was saying from the 4 hour time frame. So we have seen that we have what we call a double bottom. Let me just mark it out for everyone. The double bottom that is on our 1 hour time frame, right? So this is the double bottom. We have a leg here. We have another leg here. This is a confirm for a double bottom. So now, if price now is able to break above this level, that is, if the news is able to push price among this level, we'll be having a buying bias. Definitely, right now we are in a buying bias, but to confirm our entry, let's see price able to push among this level. They will expect price to move to the other side, right? And during the London session, it is the 1 hour time frame. Now, during the London session, we can see something like a trend line, right? So now our trend line is from here. Here you can see this trend line that is currently forming, and this trend line attributes to what we call a pinnet. If you can clearly see this structure, please just tell me if you clearly see this structure. This is called a pinnet, right? A pinnet is a chart pattern which indicates for more. Okay, let's just see right now. Let's see a pinnet chart pattern. So this is a pinnet chart pattern. As you can see, if you take a clear look at this, or let me look for a better one.
Where the usual pattern. Wait, is it
If you clear, if you clearly look at the pinnet structure, the bullish pinnet. So this is the bullish pinnet, right? We have a bullish pinnet over here. These are bullish pinnet, and it almost resembles something like this, but That aside, we'll really take that as a bigger confluence. We'll just take the fact that we have the trend of the market bullish, and we should be looking for buying opportunities. As I said, the trend of market is bullish, so we should be looking for buying opportunities, and we should wait for price. Price should be able to push across
Price to bigger
the
space
top.
of
Price should be able to push
test glass.
across, right?
After glass. Check chemical.
You test too.
No, no, no. It's 2-0. 2-0. 2-5
Right.
now.
So, uh, so the next, this is for GBP analysis. So
Yes.
for GBP analysis, now we should just be looking at the buying side for GBP. I'll
It's
give the
acceptable.
Eh? Who said it's a trouble?
The offense to
I'll give I'll give the I would give the pending order, the number for the pending order very soon. But let's look at XAUSD. Let's look at XAUSD now. That's gold. Let's look at gold.
Don't talk about
Right.
good. Don't talk about good.
Right. So now, you see this massive sell during the New York session, the massive sell during the New York session. But now, gold, the trend of gold is, let's see, the trend of gold right now is looking. I'm sorry, let me delete the charts. I am still, the obvious trend for gold now is currently still bullish. Gold is still on a bullish trend, the same as GBP. If GBP is bullish, gold should be also bullish. And as you can see from the chart, we are still in a bullish move in gold. All right, we're still in the bullish move for gold on the daily time frame. Now on the 4 hour, currently the 4 hour should be looking for zones. Our zones on the 4 hour. So let's see something. Let's see this. No, cannot work. That can't work. Um, let's draw a trend line. Let's see whether I can draw a trend line. We can draw a trend line from somewhere here.
They are lucky girls. Have you seen? Have you seen this class?
Who really is my boss?
Uh,
It's okay. The test to what? Test, test after the test.
all right. So now, this is currently what we're looking at. We're looking at price at a XASD has really come to a trend line. If you can see, there's a trend line that I just drew right now. So XASD is at that trend line currently. So now let's be expecting that price should break across this trend line. If price does not, so price can either do two things right now on this trend line. Price can either break above or break below. Not quite sure on XAUSD at the moment, but our GBP USD is definitely, we're still definitely looking at buying bias for GBP USD, right? So, but on XAUSD currently at the moment, we just have XAUSD at a support level, right? So XAUSD at a support level that's over here. So now, let me look. Let's look closer to the lower time frame. Let's see whether we can have any form of chart patterns that are forming. So on on the 1 hour, I don't currently see any chart pattern forming on the 1 hour.
It's test
I don't,
two.
on the 50 minutes. On the 15 minutes, on the 15 minutes, no. So on gold right now, currently gold is not really giving any form of chart patterns or any form of entry confirmations. Although we had this massive pull to the downside during the London session, so I don't. Let's just wait. Let's just. Our hopes on GBP now for the buy. Our hopes on GBP now for a buy. Right. So also on GBP now for the buy.
analysis no inside no clear for good.
Is it his analysis?
You know, like analysis no clear for good now. Like
Uh,
GPS.
so this is
Which
GBP,
was
bro. Right?
which was the USD?
So now,
This pattern say B.
Don't worry, you need to buy stuff, so it's going to replace the trade confirm. Yeah, activate.
so now, uh, yeah.
This is GPS. You can pay GPS free account and for flipping too. This pattern we do, I like not true. This best of that line.
Wait, I'll give the number very soon. I'll give the number very soon. Let's
That's in
just
the
hold
air.
on. So,
That's in the air.
Already
so
20.
uh,
No, has it? No, just increase. But
so yeah. So we have like 10 minutes back to the news, right? So let's set our buy stop currently now. So now, as we'll be risking probably let's risk. I would love to risk like probably let's say 14 pips or 15 pips for this entry, 15 pips for this entry on a buy stop, right? So now our TP should be probably 50 pips. I love to let us take a 50 pips TP, but TP should be open for now. No, TP should be open for now, or TP should be open for now. In case we have massive pushes to the upside, our TP should be open for now, right? So copy the entry. If you can see my screen, just copy the stop loss entry and the entry price. Copy the entry price on your pending order and the stop loss entry. Copy those two, but leave out the TP. Don't copy the TP, please. Copy only the entry. Copy only the entry and the. I'm copying post it on the group.
1.20
zero
one
point
point two
I want
seven
to post it. I want to post it on the
nine
group now.
six.
1.27
What is stop loss be?
1.27946.
Alright.
1.279. Sure, sir.
0.05. Wait, wait.
So now look volatility there.
No, it's open. Ah, God. Why is gold like this? Gold. Ah,
I think I'm caring that we
I say you
have
see, I want to use
test.
many of these other people's idea.
I don't even give a shit because I don't want to ask.
You know, please. So I don't start. Since I never open this business.
gold dey dey show.
I
Well,
need more minute to talk
So
about.
buy stop
ATM
order
supply.
on GBP, USD, our SL. These are our SL. So I'll send it to the group now. So please do well to take a copy of it. And
7946.
Fucking place now.
all right, so that's it. Let me send it to the Discord.
Wait, it's not easy. The chat never look now. Why is it? I can't do the chat since.
I really don't want it to activate before it. I really don't want our pending orders to activate before
I'll
it
go back to go back.
touches.
Call your telegram. don't need that one again now. Who you think? Those people just want activity now.
So I don't want it. I don't want it to really activate before it touches. So let's just be careful. If it activates before it touches, let's just exit. I don't really want it to activate before it touches our zone. In case, get what I'm saying. So if it does, please just likely exit slightly.
I'll be right back.
So uh uh studio stop sharing. I want to stop sharing my screen correctly. So, stop sharing my screen. So I'll update you guys on the group. I'll be updating you guys on the group. So we'll take a leave now. Wait to the news, but I'll update everyone on the group platform. So everyone just pay attention to the news onto the group, right? So stay live on the group. So I'll update everyone else on the group platform. Yeah. So all right, safe man. Good luck in the NFP. Good luck in
So
NFP for those.
091
This
Good
is
luck in NFP.
2
7
7
746.
9 4 6. Ah,
Uh,
I know this. 12 million accounts.
Mm.
don't just touch it, please. I beg. So
Two.
guys, stay tuned. If
It's this one.
stay tuned.
Ah,
Um,
4.280.
it's not.
Seriously. Plug
My
this thing,
battery
plug on,
low.
plug on, plug on, plug on. Give me a
Plug
second.
a at the type. 2 7
stay tuned.
7 2 7 9.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Let's see. 4 more minutes to the news, right? 4 more minutes to the news. So let me also set mine. 1 to 10 fifths.
I don't want this one more place for you.
2 million for me now. Go
Volume
flip it up, please.
Hold on, please.
Go flip it, go
2.4
please, go first.
I'm not going to
plus
that. I'm going to put 0
26.
9 9 6.
plus
Increase your brightness now. It's in dark like this.
That's my battery remaining.
7. Play something now. See, never break that zone. 2 7
946.
9 6.
Like, never bring that team zone.
I tell you, say never break am now.
guys, remember we have 2 minutes to the news.
Yeah.
Uh, so we have 2 minutes to the news. Okay, it's broken. Guys, let's exit that entry.
Come on, that. Come on,
Exit
entry.
the
Come on,
entry.
entry.
Exit the
But
entry.
you
It's
don't touch
the
it.
entry.
You to say
You
don't
don't
bring
touch
the
her. Exit. Exit the entry.
Why
Let's
this
wait
one?
to news. Exit the entry, guys.
No,
No,
no, no.
Exit entry.
no, broken.
Check team.
Exit
No,
entry. Exit the entry, please. Exit the entry. We don't want it to activate before the news.
Team, you don't talk now.
very tough.
Team, won't queue.
Please, guys, exit the entry. Exit the entry.
345. Go flip it first.
Exit the entry, guys.
So help me.
Exit the entry. Exit the
So,
entry. It's broken.
343.
Okay, I know if you see this thing.
2343. I did tell you 2343.
Exit the entry, guys.
This 0.1. She will open.
Hmm,
Come on, 0.5. 2343.
Exit the entry.
0.5.
Jesus Christ.
Exit
Please
the
say
entry, guys.
2337.
So wait,
What is this?
about things.
Save stop. Yeah, please save stop. This one we please now waiting.
Why stop now?
2 3.
Still waste time.
Save stop 2330.
You never please now. Calm down, bro.
1 more minute to the news. Let's be quick.
2340. No, please. Save stop
Coffee.
30.
Ah, fuck. A lot is happening right now. A lot is happening right now. You
Leave,
order.
leave, leave.
Um.
Leave me like I
Um.
can move.
What's place for you now?
Uh.
Leave place now.
Chief for me now.
Go place on this stuff.
Yeah, 2330.
This. Just lost to
Left to
the.
yeah.
1 more minute to the news, guys. 1 more minute to the news.
Please,
Everything is.
30 seconds. Jesus, what's this?
Man, this clone they break. I need to glitch this thing.
So, guys. So now we just enter on command. Just get your MT4 ready. We won't be quick enough to. Um. Won't be quick enough to do it. So okay.
So stop
Wow, we're
activate.
dropping.
So stop to activate.
We're dropping. Sells. But I'm not selling now, guys. I'm not selling now. I'm
This
not
one no
selling
good.
now.
No, I can't open, sir.
It sells.
That's what
It sells. I'm selling. But I'm not selling. I'm not selling. I'm not selling. I'm not selling.
yeah, move on.
Close up.
Close on. It's also pretty. So, it's also the better you buy.
Mark close up. Mark close up. Close up.
Close on.
Jesus Christ.
50. Jesus Christ. 50. God. Fuck. Ha! God have mercy. Jesus. Hey. Ah, God. Just made it. If you come plug yourself for please laptop away. Please let him plug it to your laptop. Jesus. I swear. What if no open? What the fuck? God have mercy. See the news here. Please. 55. So why to be one? Check the who frequency.
Guys,
Catch the just when leave.
You catch him for flipping. No, leave me in your account now.
Leave me in account now. This is going to open one. If them see
Usually when I want to, one thing.
your profit now, waiting.
Go for it, at least.
Sharp, strong.
It's called, you know, say you go chase.
Igbo trees. They're just made big.
hold on, guys.
It's long.
Just put a bit. I think this. I think this is close up 55. Look at it.
Because I think I said that thing was people to did. Yeah, this thing with the breakers are fit my script. If you say if you drop, it's just by limits on the
Really, hold up.
tell me.
All right. So we're going to update you guys on the group. All right. So we're going to update you guys on the group. Next
Then
studio.
switch in Judo. You know activate. Why stop activated and SM? Why stop activated and SM?
This is
I
where
don't
to
take
come.
it. I
Where
don't
to
like
come.
geo. I don't like geo trading. Activated exit entry now. SM now. I see it. Man, open it as very easy. See, see, back. You touch that limit, you concept. After you say no listen to Gio,
Gee.
after you say no listen to Gio, Gio don't sabi anything. I sabi am since now, no sabi anything. See now, so easy Gio dey talk by bench.